Yo, hello everyone. Welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to talk about bakit mo kailangang umalis ng Philippines para ma-realize mo yung worth mo. So as you guys notice, we're still doing our lunch break walking. Pangat. So anyways, alam naman natin na in terms of comfort zone lang, Philippines talaga is very nice, di ba? And at the same time, we're not aware na natatrap na pala tayo. Now, we thought na kung anong meron dyan sa Philippines, yun na yun. Right? So, kung anong meron, like for example, sa trabaho, kung anong trabahong meron dyan, tapos hindi natin nakuha, parang end of the world na. Right? Or sa posisyon na hindi natin nakuha. But, I realized that when I moved here in Canada, there's more to it pa pala. Nakakala ko, pag hindi tayo nakakuha ng regular position dyan, wala na, mahirap na. But dito, kahit hindi ka makakuha ng regular position, you can still survive. And there's a lot of opportunities na hindi natin nakikita or na-experience dyan sa Philippines. So, I'm encouraging you guys, if you have the opportunity to experience life outside Philippines, please do it. Because it will really change your mindset, and at the same time how you view life, and most especially how you view your worth as a worker, as a human being. I'm encouraging you to leave Philippines para ma-realize nyo kung ano talaga yung worth ninyo and what you deserve to have in life, in terms of work, in terms of employment, in terms of sahod. So yeah, thank you guys for listening. I'll see you guys on my next video.